In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Kanban board in Excel. Open Excel from the Start menu and create a blank workbook so you are starting with a clean sheet. Once the workbook is open, click cell B2, type Task Tracker, then press Enter. Now click B2 again so that title cell is selected. Drag across from B2 to F2 to highlight that full title range. Go to the Home tab and in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. This turns those cells into one centered title area for the board. Next, click cell B4 and type To Do. Press Tab 2 times to move across to D4. In D4, type In Progress. Press Tab 2 more times to move to F4. In F4, type Done. Now click B4, then hold Shift and click F4 so the three header cells are selected together. In the Alignment group on the Home tab, click Center to center the header text horizontally. Now color each header so the sections are easy to distinguish. Click B4, which is the To-Do header. Open the Fill Color drop-down and choose a light gray. Click D4 for In Progress. Open Fill Color again and choose a light orange or a light yellow. Then click F4 for Done. Open Fill Color and choose a light green. At this point, the three main sections of the board are visually separated by color. Now widen the task columns so each lane has enough space for card text. Click the letter B at the top of the sheet to select the whole column. Hold Ctrl and click the letters D and F so all three task columns are selected at the same time. Right-click one of those selected column letters and choose Column Width. In the Width box, type 25. Then click OK. Next, click the letter C. Hold Ctrl and click the letter E. Right-click one of those selected letters and choose Column Width again. Type 3, then click OK. These narrow columns create visible spacing between the three task lanes. Now start adding sample task cards. Click cell B6, which is the first card space under To Do. Type Write Project Brief, then press Enter. In B7, type Design Homepage Mockup, then press Enter. In B8, type Prepare Kickoff Deck. Next, click D6 under In Progress. Type Review Client Feedback, then press Enter. In D7, type Build Landing Page. Now click F6 under Done. Type Publish Blog Post, then press Enter. In F7, type Send Invoice. These entries will become the visible task cards on the board. Now style the card areas so they look more like a Kanban board. Click B6 and drag down to B10 to select 5 card slots under To Do. Hold Ctrl and drag from D6 to D10 to add the In Progress card area. Keep holding Ctrl and drag from F6 to F10 to add the Done card area as well. With all three ranges selected, go to the Home tab. Open the Borders drop-down in the Font group and choose All Borders. This outlines each card slot. Keep the same cells selected. Open the Fill Color drop-down and choose White. Then in the Alignment group, click Wrap Text so longer task names stay inside each card cell instead of spilling out. For a cleaner board appearance, click the View tab in the ribbon. In the Show group, clear the Grid Lines checkbox. The empty space around the board now becomes solid white, which makes the board layout stand out more clearly. Now move a task from one column to another. Click one of the task cells in the To Do column that you want to move into In Progress. Cut that cell, then click an open card slot in the In Progress column and paste it there. This updates the board by placing the task in its new stage. You should now have a simple 3-column Kanban board in Excel with a centered title, colored headers, white bordered task cards, and a move task showing progress across the workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.